ng kanaim kanina eh. We're waiting for our car. Namaan ako ng podium to have a quick dinner. Kasi nag-crave ako ng elephant crowns. So, yeah. Subukan natin ang chicken nuggets. Habang uminom ako na. Grabe, grabe. Tsaka meron akong plantilla eh. Meron akong plantilla na extract natin. Hiningi ko yun eh. Meron na lang kasi akong pakiramdam na magawa kay Hal ng coffee. Kasi ang coffee nagpapa-antok sa akin. Yung mga babies tulog na. Ako na lang nagpapa-antok. We're here at Bello. Facial dye, hydra facial, and papatanggal natin to. Oh, sarap masyado masakit. See you later with my red face. Bakit ang ganda ng balat ko? Oh? Ay! Error! Oh, tinan mo, Hal! It's so dewy and makinas. Alagang Bello. Chos.
Once a year.
Alagang Bello once a year. Pepin, sarap pahangin mo dyan, ah. Ang dami work ni Mami. Aga umaalis si Mami lately. Love you. Hi! Kain kami ng sweet potato and then I had to dress up and get ready for work because it's our second day that we have our visitor. So I'll try and see if I could have you join me. I haven't had my first real meal, so let's see if I could get some good meal at work. I want to eat rice. Just want a rice. Okay? See ya. Oh, by the way, got this really cute bag. This from Zao. It's so nice. Leather, sobrang lambot. I bought this for our upcoming trip, pero gagamitin na natin siya today. Diba, babies? Ayaw ko pansin. Thank you. This is the last day of the visitors. Actually, isa na lang inahibo na visitor. Looking forward to ending this week and wrapping up yung details ng visit. So, let's see kung makapag-vlog tayo sa office mamaya.